Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and this is my morning video for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here at the end of the video in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. And don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday at 6 p.m. GMT time. So, anyways, the pound dollar, I mean, is definitely still in a major uptrend on the higher time frames. I still think there's a very good likelihood we're going to go to the 78% and most likely beyond that area. But it doesn't mean that there couldn't be some decent pullbacks on sort of time frames. But I mean, there's no break of structure, there's no lower high. This push down that we're seeing could just be a little pullback within an uptrend. So very bullish on the dollar pairs still. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, last night's FOMC news did cause a pretty impulsive move up. But I'm really starting to think that this is one, two, three waves up right here, and this is more of a trend. So that potentially would be an A, B, and a C. So if it's a C, it could be a running ABC, which means it would make a higher low compared to the wave A, which would likely bring you down to the 61 to the 78%. If it's an expanding ABC, then you'd most likely make a lower high, maybe bringing you down to the 123, 138 area. So if it turns, at a higher low, or if it goes down and makes a lower high, I have no idea. I just know that I'm going to be watching my Fibonacci levels very closely. If it goes down to a fib level, has a big reaction, a big impulsive move up, I definitely will go long again. If it goes down and breaks structure, I think it's going to attract a lot of sellers, and that is probably an even better reason to think that it's going to end up going long at the end of an ABC correction. So whether it turns into a running with a higher high or an expanding with a lower high, I have no idea. I just know that either way, I am definitely still primarily looking for longs because every single higher time frame is telling me that the trend is up and the trend is your friend as always. So don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. Linked it down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.